today. Well, not today. Maybe not today. It's going to take quite a few days, isn't it?
It's going to take you all week to do this.
I'm not here all week.
Oh, well, you better bottoming gear. I was about to say one word there.
The gates are the first thing you see when you come to the chateau. So we want them to look really nice, a nice entrance when you first come in. So you can see that there's all flaky, horrible paint, layers and layers of it. Some of it's bright green, which is horrible. So we're going to get rid of as much as we can, sand it back down, paint it with hammerite paint, and hopefully it'll be a bit nicer of an entrance.
But what colour? Oh, that's a difficult one. I mean, if Mum had her way, she'd do it gold.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, you take that one or that one. It's up to you, whatever weapon you like. First,
we're going to scrape down as much of it as we can, just get rid of the majority of it, because there's so much paint on here and it's all flaky, so hopefully it'll be really easy to come off. And then we'll get sanding.
Sounds easy, doesn't it?
Yeah, give us a week. I won't be here, so he can finish it.
We'll put it on a time lapse. Well, I think I've given Beth a bit of a challenge here, actually. On close inspection, I'm just up here removing the finials from the top of the gate, as you can see here. A lot of them are missing the very tips of them, but we'll balance them out. So those ones over there, I'm sure we could go broken one, good one, broken one, like that. But I'm slowly taking them off. They unscrew from the top, as you see. A lot of them are really on there, but hopefully they should come off. But you can see the amount of paint literally on top. Oh, I suppose there's half a dozen different paints being put on here. But they are going to be difficult to clean up if Cal's going to do anything special with them. I'll try the usual ammonia or something like that will hopefully remove the paintwork off. Get a paint, or a good paint stripper, should I say. Otherwise, I'll take them to my friend Roger, who's got a sandblaster. We did use that once before, and I think it'd be perfect for this sort of thing. It'll really get in those grooves. So and the more I think about it, I think that might be the best option, actually. But anyhow, just thought I'd show the sort of challenge we've given poor Beth. So if we don't hear from her for a week, or there's no video, you know why. She's still up a ladder doing this.
How's it going?
I'm twisting away. Yeah, they are. As I was saying on an early video, there's so much paint on these. I reckon there's half a dozen layers.
There'll be another two when we finished.
Yeah, you can't get to it at all, but most of them are going with a bit of brute force. The threads look all right, the ones that are coming off. A couple I might have to re-tap. There you go. But you can see, if you have a look, how much paint it's on there. Not very nice.
You'll have fun stripping those, wouldn't you?
Well, I was saying, I wonder if they'd be better, actually, our friend Roger. Put them in the shop blaster, strip them, but we'll see. We'll try the paint stripper first.
I thought you'd use the Dremel first, actually.
That's way too much on there, actually. I think even that. I wouldn't get in with the knife. You know, the little details, you really want to get in there. We'll see. We'll let everyone know. Right, so we're going to try and straighten, well, the bar, this bar here, you can clearly see. The other one needs straightening as well. The only thing is I need to weld it. So it's, I don't know how that's happened, but clearly someone either trying to get in or get out. But the only way I can think of doing this one actually is using a car jack. I'm just going to put my scissor car jack in there and spread the weight across the bar and see if it will just very slowly start to bend back. But proof's in the pudding, so we'll give it a go now.
It is going.
It is, but my worry is
it going to snap?
This bit.
Are you doing it too high?
Maybe, yeah. I also think if we could spread the weight over more up the bar, it'd be better.
Why don't you put a bit of wood?
Need to go the other way, but well, I can't get it in the Gare. I can just about get this in. Needs heating, really.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight eye. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight eye. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm a mess. What do you think, Mum?
I think you're the guy, the Incredible Hulk, and you're not getting in my shower like that. You have to do what I did, have one outside.
No. It's not finished, but it'll do for the day. I'm tired, so we'll go again tomorrow.
Well, it doesn't take a lot to guess where I am now. I noticed one of the tiles had come down actually. Again, you have to brave it up. I'm up the top of the tower. As you can see, this one's missing, so I put the clipper's just broken completely. So I've just put a new stainless steel clip in there, and then I just need to trim one. So we got the angle, and then we can pop that in, and I'll just do a quick scoot round while I'm up here and see if there's any others that may be looking like they're going to break, but at least the sun's out at the moment. Right, well that's that one sorted. So just in case you're just coming up here and replacing tiles when you see them gone, and these ones and the other side have been done. Not quite sure maybe why they didn't a whole lot, but obviously they felt that this side wasn't too bad when they did it. So as I said, we'll just keep monitoring them and popping in new ones as we see fit. So although you can't see, there is over this side, can't believe the weeds have come through the cobbles already, the stump of a tree that used to be that side, and there is one exactly the same over this side. So I think if we can get it right back to the sort of root, if you like, or the stub of the tree, clear all this way, and then it'll balance it up a bit. And I think also it makes the gates look a lot nicer when they're open, like the left hand side you see. So that's my job this afternoon. Well, day 2, back on the gates. Beth's done a good job so far, but she's just doing a few things inside, so I'm just going to help out and try and get some of the nasty bits off. So that's my job today, in hopefully no rain. Maybe that's why Beth's inside, actually. Smart move. Tia looks like she's on the mouse catching today. Stuart and Carol are down in the secret garden trimming up the hedges and trying to see if we can get some life back into them, the box hedges, after the caterpillar killed them. All right, Tia, what have you got? No, is it cuddle time? No. You go and get your lunch, yeah? Right, let's crack on with these gates.
So it's now day 2, and after yesterday, when I looked like the Incredible Hulk, I was really tired and hurt my back a bit because I was doing it all day. So I've called someone in from home, and we're matching, so we're both wearing different shirts.
Just do the gates.
So this is my cousin Luca from mum's side of the family. So Stuart's also here, my uncle, and you're going to help me with gates?
Yeah.
Yep. So we've been at it for a couple of hours now, and you've actually gotten quite a lot of it down to the actual metal, haven't you? Which I'm surprised
You said
by.
a couple.
Yeah.
Half a day it feels like.
And all day yesterday as well.
Yeah.
So we're getting off as much as we can, just trying to make it smooth rather than getting all of it down to the metal, because that would take, I think, yeah, it's not coming off.
Half a day.
So we're done for today, and now that there's more of us, because we've also got Stuart and Luca, so there's 5 of us now. So although we were in England for 2 weeks and the progress slowed down a bit, now there's 5 of us, we can get a lot done.
We
can't
hope so, yeah, especially with the sun out.
Yeah, and there's a long to-do list.
There
So
is a
hopefully we can tackle that to-do list now that they're here.